My next question to you, sir, is we know that sustainability and growth go hand in hand. And if you could explain this with, in line with the work that you do in the field of millet, or you envisage the world to do around millet.
Okay, there are two aspects to these two words, sustainability and growth. What are we really talking about sustainability growth? In which dimension? Are we talking about economics or ecology? Ecological sustainability is the real sustainability. But most often, the world run by economists is talking about sustainability in the sense of economic businesses and economic growth. Like how much is the share market for this particular company? Can it sustain into future? But we have to go beyond this definition of sustainability and growth, see that all the living things on this planet, can they sustain into future? Can they sustain the growth, real ecological growth? That means, can we take along all the living things on this planet together inclusively into the future? So there is a beautiful statement in our Sanatana Dharma, Sarve Janaha Sukhino Bhavantu. That Janaha means everything that is born on this planet has to be at peace or at ease. So this dimensional lookout has to make us redefine the word sustainability and growth. So we need to include all living things. But of late, in the last 100 years, we have been using fauna and flora, and we have disseminated and extinguished many of the living things on this planet. And by changing our food, which conserves energy, which conserves human resources, which conserves ecological resources like water, soil, air pollution, all these things can be managed efficiently in the next 20-30 years if human race decides to change their food to millets, and then things will start falling in place. So global warming, food security, food sovereignty, sustainability in its true sense. So we need to think of economic model to ecological model, consuming model to conserving model, and of course, loving, peaceful existence, coexistence of all things together on this planet.